Meet your friendly neighbor Ajay. He loves to go on his computer and find interesting topics by using Google. However, he always feels like he's consistently being targeted by ads and he wishes there was another way. Enter in a decentralized search engine called Presearch, where he can safely search without being identified. Presearch focuses primarily on privacy through their decentralized platform and keeps the user data private. These individuals are known as node operators. They're just normal people who are helping Presearch decentralize the platform, which helps to keep your information anonymous. This is done by them hosting nodes. And there are multiple ways to do this. The first way is to use a cloud service provider like AWS. The second way is using hardware, such as a Raspberry Pi. In addition, node operators are provided node rewards, which is provided in Presearch on a daily basis to help you with the cost of your AWS server. Now you might be thinking, how else can you earn rewards from Presearch? Well, it's one of the things that I've been contemplating too. The easiest way to get Presearch points is to use either their mobile or search through your desktop. Now, after all this is said and done, you're going to have to be using an exchange such as KuCoin to trade it into some money. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.